In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Loop component. If you've ever created a Loop component and later realized you no longer need it, the good news is that removing it is a very simple process once you know where to click. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find the component controls and delete the item cleanly. To begin, go to Microsoft Loop and open the workspace or page where your component is located. Make sure you're on the correct page before you continue, especially if you have several loop files or shared workspaces open. Taking a second to confirm this can help you avoid deleting the wrong component by mistake. Once you're in the right place, click the component's name or title. This helps you view its file path, which is useful for confirming that you're looking at the exact component you want to remove. If you're working with multiple components that look similar, checking the title and path can make the process much clearer and prevent confusion. After that, move your cursor over the component you want to delete. When you hover over it, you should see a 6-dot icon appear. This icon is the handle for the component's options and controls. Click the 6 dots to open the available actions for that specific component. If you don't see the icon right away, try moving your mouse slowly over the component area until it appears. With the options menu open, click Delete. This will remove the Microsoft Loop component. Be careful at this stage and make sure you are deleting the correct item, since this action affects the component you selected from the page. And that's it. That's how to delete a Microsoft Loop component. As a quick tip, before deleting anything, it's always a good idea to double check the component title and where it appears on the page, especially in shared collaborative content. That small review can save time and help avoid accidental removals. If you're following along while working inside Loop, you can pause the video at each part and complete the action step by step. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very easy to repeat whenever you need to clean up unused components. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you confidently remove a Microsoft Loop component.